Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today again I am going to continue lesson 5, Jojo's pet. In the previous video I have already given you the word meanings of difficult words and the explanation of the lesson also. Today I am going to start exercise of this lesson. So let's start the exercise. Our first exercise is write T for true or F for false. It means true or false. We have to write true or false. Some sentences are given to you and you have to tell that whether these sentences are true or false. The first sentence is Jojo was looking for a baby bird. Whether this sentence is true or false, it is false. The second sentence is Jojo found a baby bird in the bushes. Whether it is true or false, it is true. So we have written here true. Now the next one is Jojo named his new pet Tweety. Whether this sentence is true or false, it is true. So we will write T for true. Now the next sentence is Tweety hide the top in a bag. Whether this sentence is true or false, it is false. Tweety hide the top in his shoes. So it is false. We will write F for false. Now the next exercise is read the sentence and answer the question. It means that some questions are given to you and you have to write the answer of the following questions. So the first question is who could not put on one boot? The answer is Jojo could not put on one boot. Once again I repeat, who could not put on one boot? The answer is Jojo could not put on one boot. Now the second question is why could not he put on the boot? The answer is there is a top inside the boot. Once again I repeat the answer, there is a top inside the boot. Our next exercise is write question for the given answer, choose from the box. It means that you have to write the question. Means answer is already given to you. You have to write the question from that answer. You have to make the question from that answer. For example, one question is already done for you. For example, Tweety was a baby bird. The answer of the question is Tweety was a baby bird, and the question can be made as who was Tweety. The question once again I speak, who was Tweety? Tweety was a baby bird. Now the second answer is Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. The answer is Jojo found Tweety in the bushes, and the question can be made as where did Jojo find Tweety? Once again I speak, where did Jojo find Tweety? The answer of this is Jojo find Tweety in the bushes. The answer is already given to you. You have to make only question. The next answer is Tweety could not fly because she was hurt in one wing. Now the question can be made as why Tweety could not fly. Once again I repeat, why Tweety could not fly. The answer is already given to you. Tweety could not fly because she was hurt in one wing. Now the next answer is Jojo gave Tweety insects to eat. The answer of this question will be what did Jojo give Tweety to eat? Once again I repeat, what did Jojo give Tweety to eat? The answer is already given to you. Jojo gave Tweety insects to eat. As you can see that in this exercise all the answers were given to you and you have to make the question from that answer. Now the next exercise is drop the E at the end and make ing words. It means that you can see each and every word, the last letter of the word is E. You have to drop out that E and you have to write ing so that a new word can be formed. To understand more clearly, let us look at one of the example. The first word is come, C-O-M-E, come. As you can see that E has been removed and at the last it is added ing. So the new word is coming, come, coming. Now let's move to the other word. Next word is make. M-A-K-E, make. In the you have to remove the last letter, that is E, and you have to write ing, so that the new word will be making. Make, making. M-A-K-I-N-G, making. Now the next word is write. In this also you have to remove the E from the last letter, and you have to write ing, so that a new word will be writing. WRITING, writing. Next word is smile. The new word will be smiling. SMILING, smiling. Now the next one is ride, and the new word is riding. RIDING, riding. Now the next word is love, and the new word will be loving. LOVING, loving. Now the next exercise is fill in the double letters to make the words from the lesson. As you can see that in the box double letters are written, and you have to fill down that double letters in the suitable words given below. So let's start. The first word is HO double-ing. In the suitable letters are double P, hopping. HOPPING, hopping. Now the next word is CAIID. The suitable letters are double R, carried. CARRIED, carried. Now the next word is HAER. The suitable letters are double M, hammer. HAMMER, hammer. Next word is BEER. The suitable letters are double T, BETTER, better. Now the next word is SCH double-L. The suitable letters are double O, school. SCHOOL, school. Now the next word is FLA double-ED. The suitable letters are double P, flapped. FLAPPED, flapped. Now the next exercise is write the group name for each set of the words. The group name is already mentioned in the box. We can select from the box, and in the below some words are given, means in the group are given, and you have to find out it belongs to which group. So the first group is cricket, ludo, chess, hockey. It is the name of the group is already given for you. The answer is games. Cricket, ludo, chess, and hockey. This all belongs to the group of games. Now the next word is duck, pigeon, hen, and parrot. This group belongs to the bird. This all the words belongs to the word. Now the next one is apple, guava, pear, and mango. This all belong from the fruit. The group name will be fruit. Now the next one is table, chair, sofa, bed. This group name will be furniture. In furniture we find all these things: table, chair, sofa, bed. Now the next exercise is fill in the blanks with has or have. It means that you have to fill the blanks with the word has or have. Now the first sentence is Jojo dash a top. The answer is has. Jojo has a top. The next one is Mona and Isha dash long hair. The answer is have. Mona and Isha have long hair. Next is Tina dash a new cycle. The answer is the Tina has a new bicycle. Now the next one is the baby bird dash a red beak. Answer is has. A baby bird has a red beak. Now the next is I dash many friends. The answer is I have many friends. Now the next one is grandma dash a pet rabbit. The answer is grandma has a red rabbit. Okay student, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to write and learn all the exercise of this lesson. You have to write in a beautiful writing in your copy, and you have to learn it also, all the exercise.